Hey there, savvy shoppers. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey? Ready to unlock a world of incredible deals and hidden treasures? We're talking about AliExpress, the online marketplace with millions of products just waiting to be discovered. It's like a giant online flea market, but way more fun and full of surprises. But with so many sellers and options, how do you find the best of the best without getting overwhelmed? Don't worry, I've got your back. I'm here to guide you through the maze. Let's dive into the world of AliExpress top sellers and uncover the best deals together. Imagine finding that perfect gadget, a stylish outfit, or even unique home decor items, all at unbelievably low prices that you won't find anywhere else. That's the magic of AliExpress. It's like a treasure hunt every time you shop. But finding those hidden gems means finding top-rated sellers who have proven their worth. Think of it like this: you wouldn't buy a car without checking its history, right? The same principle applies here. Same goes for online shopping. Research and reviews are your best friends. Finding top sellers guarantees a smoother shopping experience with fewer surprises and more satisfaction. So let's get you ready to shop with confidence and find those amazing deals on AliExpress. First things first, let's fire up the AliExpress website or app. See that search bar? That's your treasure map. It's your gateway to finding the best deals and top sellers. Type in what you're looking for. It could be anything from electronics to fashion or even home decor. Now here's where the magic happens. This is where you can really start to narrow down your search. Look for the sort by option. It's usually right next to the search bar. Click it and choose orders. This will sort the products by the number of orders they've received. Boom! Now you're seeing the products with the most sales first. Why is this important? Because it helps you find what's popular and trusted by other buyers. Think about it. Sellers with lots of orders are usually popular for a reason. They often have the best prices and quality. It means other shoppers trust them and love their products. But wait, there's more. Reviews and ratings can also guide you. See those little gold medals next to some seller names? They're not just for show. Those are badges of honor. They indicate top-rated sellers who consistently deliver great service. They show the seller has a proven track record of happy customers and high-quality products. So always keep an eye out for those medals and reviews to make the best choice. Hold on to your hats, folks, because AliExpress is huge. We're talking millions of sellers from all over the world. That's a lot of competition. But that's good news for you. More competition means better prices and more choices. Did you know that AliExpress has over 150 million active users? That's like the entire population of Russia, shopping online. And get this, they ship to over 200 countries and regions worldwide. Talk about going global. With numbers like that, it's no wonder AliExpress is a go-to for bargain hunters and savvy shoppers alike. Section 4. Mastering the filters, refining your search. Okay, so we've got the basics down. Now let's fine-tune our search like pros. AliExpress has some awesome filters to help you narrow down the options. See that sidebar? It's your new best friend. You can filter by price, color, size, shipping options, and even customer ratings. Want free shipping? No problem. Just click the free shipping filter and you're good to go. Looking for a specific color? Done. Simply choose the color you want from the options. Remember those gold medals we talked about? You can filter by those too. Just select the top-rated filter to see the best products. Just select top-rated to see the best of the best. These are the products that have been highly rated by other shoppers. The more filters you use, the closer you get to finding your perfect product from a top-notch seller. Happy shopping! Section 5. Ready, set, shop, confidence in every click. And there you have it, folks. You're now armed with the knowledge to conquer the world of AliExpress and find those top-rated sellers. Remember, shopping online should be fun and exciting. So what are you waiting for? Go forth and shop with confidence. Happy hunting for those AliExpress treasures.